Welcome, team of experts. It's time to meet the first of our two contestants. Let's take a look at Beth Lay. She's a 25-year-old mother whose mission is to focus on herself for the first time in her life.
My name is Beth Lay, and I live in Milton, Washington. I've always wanted to look wonderful on the outside and to feel like I'm my own person and know who I am on the inside. I got married at 19 years old, and I have a little boy. Can you catch me a fish? Is that for me? After having a child, I have this disgusting stomach with stretch marks and an abnormal belly button. I think that's probably why. I do have issues with being intimate with my husband, but there's a lot of emotional baggage too. And one night, my husband was in a bar, and this girl, she leaned in for a kiss. And when I asked him if he kissed her back, he came out and told me he did kiss her back. And of course, I didn't believe that that was all at the time. I don't know if I even believe it now.
I really love Beth, and she's had a lot of disappointments in her life, and you know, I've been part of them.
I didn't leave him because I guess I'm afraid that nobody else would ever love me. I think definitely the transformation will help my low self-esteem.
I'm nervous that you're gonna change and not want to be with me anymore.
This is the first thing that I've decided to do and told everyone, you know what, this is what I want. I do want to be sexy. I want to walk in a room and just have heads turn and, ooh, you know? I'd love to feel that way. This will change my life forever.
Well, Beth is one hell of a determined lady.
She's got really good bones, and beauty's in the bones. I think we can make her look awesome. Breast augmentation, tummy tuck, facial surgery.
If you noticed, her lower lip almost looked gawky, and I would like to do something with her upper lip just to get balance.
Looking at her smile, it kind of comes out to a point, and then she has a real gummy smile. So probably what I'd like to do is recreate her smile and make it much softer.
Dr. Yanni?
So she's rebelling against her husband, but if she can get through it and get to the other side, she can make choices that she'll actually wind up being comfortable with for the rest of her life.
Beth's plan features a number of procedures beginning with her face. She'll have a brow lift, nose job, lip enhancement, chin liposuction and LASIK eye surgery. For Beth's body, she'll have breast augmentation, tummy tuck and liposuction of her calves and ankles. Beth's dental procedures will include Zoom bleaching, Da Vinci veneers, raising of her gums, lower orthodontics and deep cleaning. For her fitness program, Beth will be put on a 1,200 calorie a day diet and will spend 120 hours in the gym, and weekly therapy to address her marital problems. It's surgery day for Beth. Her troubled marriage weighs heavily on her mind.
My husband cheated on me.
This physical transformation is the first step toward boosting her self-esteem.
I didn't leave him because I guess I'm afraid that nobody else would ever love me.
Both doctors will use their expertise to complete Beth's transformation.
Some of the cases Dr. Haworth's doing by himself, some cases I'm doing by myself, other the cases we're doing as a combination, as part of a team approach. I think it's really great, and plus, he needs my help.
Hi, Mom.
Hi. How are you doing?
I'm going in for my surgery today. Are you doing okay?
No.
Oh.
Life's crazy around here. Dad just got booted out of his position.
Oh, I'm sorry, Mom.
I did not get that position that I applied for.
I'm sorry you're not doing so good.
That's okay.
I'll talk to you later.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
It's kind of shocking that she would tell me that right before I go into surgery, because now I'm upset, so.
This is the first time Beth has been away from her family, and she's learning just how hard it is to be on her own.
The challenge with Beth today is to reduce the size of her calves to give her a good transition into her ankles. Because right now she has cankles. She needs calves and ankles, not cankles. You know, there is one thing I object to, though. Look at the size of my wand. That's not fair.
What I'm going to do now is to provide balance with her lips. With this operation, going to have the upper lip be more pouty, more sexy, and match the lower lip. Everything is coming to an end, and now we're just left with the breasts.
She wants to be a small D, which I think will be great on her.
Just like that.
That's awesome. Fantastic. Okay, we're finished. Brow lift,
Rhinoplasty,
breast augmentation,
skin-only tummy tuck,
extensive liposuction,
and my upper FATMA to her lip.
cankles. Done.
After undergoing extensive surgical procedures, Beth now faces the challenge of recovery. Beth is not much better off.
Hi, Beth. I heard that you had a little bit of pain today.
I feel like crap. My face hurts. I didn't sleep very good last night either.
Beth may be one of those patients that doesn't recover quickly. In fact, I'm a little bit concerned that she won't heal in time in order to make it to the pageant.
Coming up, Beth struggles through her painful recovery.
I feel like someone took a big baseball bat and whacked me over the face.
While Beth's relationship with her husband is the next hurdle in her transformation.
I honestly don't know if I'll ever be able to let go of the resentment towards my husband.
Hi. Just wish I could see you.
Well, you sound really happy today.
I am happy because I get to talk to you. I miss you.
All right, honey.
It's painful to know that I hurt the one I love. I believe that is a huge scar that I have left on her heart.
I'm concerned that if Beth doesn't deal with her marriage problems, she won't receive the full benefits of her transformation.
I was one of those people that always said, you know, if my husband ever cheated on me, I would not stick around. How do I move past that?
You're mad and you're hurt, and if you don't say it congruently, it doesn't really honor how you've been feeling, and so you don't get a chance to release it and let go of it.
That hurt me so bad. Just to know that you lied for so long about nothing being wrong when I could feel that something was wrong.
Beth is now at the point where she has to decide whether to forgive her husband or move on.
Now let's talk about Beth. Well, this young mom came to us in the hope of discovering a sense of independence for the very first time. Dr. Yanni, she had some issues with her husband. Do you think that her transformation will extend beyond the program?
Yes, I think Beth did a remarkable job in making some very significant progress by letting go of the resentment that she had toward her husband, and I think she's going home an improved wife, an improved mother, and a very empowered young woman.
Dr. Dubrow, Beth was the only patient that both yourself and Dr. Haworth worked on together. How did that work?
Well, Beth's transformation required multiple surgical procedures. I did the body and the face Dr. Haworth performed.
Dr. Haworth, you performed a special lip surgery on Beth.
Her upper lip was very thin compared to her lower, so I did an internal tissue rearrangement of her upper lip with fat transfer so that her upper lip now matches beautifully with her lower.
I'm going to take you back to when Beth arrived on day one.
I think definitely the transformation will help me feel really good about my appearance. And I think once I'm happy with me, maybe some of the things in my marriage will work out a little bit better. I didn't leave him because I guess I'm afraid that nobody else would ever love me.
Let's see how far Beth has been able to go. Here she is, Beth Lay. I can say is, wow. Come with me. How are you feeling?
I'm shaking.
You look absolutely incredible.
I feel like a whole new woman.
You said that if you were happy with yourself, that maybe your marriage would work out better. Do you still feel that?
I have learned to love myself. So now I have this whole new, deeper love for my husband, and I cannot wait to see him and to just tell him how wonderful I feel about him.
How desperate are you to see yourself, Beth?
I cannot wait. I'm so excited.
That the time has come. That curtain conceals a mirror, something you haven't seen for a very long time. In a moment, I'm going to ask you to walk up to the curtain.
Okay.
And then when you're ready, we'll pull back the curtain. You're going to see a new Beth. All right then, Beth. Walk up to the curtain.
Okay.
Okay, Beth. Are you ready to see yourself?
Yes.
I don't look like me. Oh my gosh. Look at my teeth. Oh my gosh. Got boobs. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I look so beautiful.
Congratulations. Oh, you look amazing, as you can see. I mean, can I ask you now, do you really feel like the outside finally matches the inside?
Yeah. Yeah. Oh my gosh, I can't believe that's me.
You better believe it, it is. You have yourself to thank, Beth, and all of the experts. Guys, well done.
When Beth came into the room, both Dr. Dubrow and I both realized that we hit the nail on the head with this one. She was a 100% success.
When I saw Beth, I was blown away.
Beth arrived a young woman who had never been away from home and didn't truly know herself. She fought through a painful recovery and marital problems to become a confident beauty who's determined to get what she wants. Okay, let's bring them out. Gentlemen. One of you is about to move forward to the pageant and could be crowned the Swan. Along with that title, ladies, comes cash and prizes worth hundreds of thousands of dollars. Oh my God. You have both been judged on beauty, on poise, and of course, overall transformation. Here in this envelope, I have the name of the woman who's been chosen to go forward to the pageant. Good luck to you both. The woman who has earned a place in the pageant tonight is Beth Lay.
Congratulations.
I think Beth made it to the pageant because she worked very hard in every single aspect of this program. She just rose to every challenge with everything she had.
Beth, can you do me a favor and just walk over there for one moment while I say goodbye to Kathy? Oh.
It's too bad Kathy didn't make it to the pageant. Kathy really took risks with her look, with her internal transformation. She is a wow story.
I know you must be disappointed, Kathy, but you've learned so much over the past 3 months. Tell me, what's your most favorite memory?
The whole experience has been wonderful. I've met so many great people. All 16 of us are beautiful women.